A shampoo made just for your hair? Sounds like a dream. But does it actually work? Today I'm putting function of beauty to the test to see if customized shampoo is really the secret to perfect hair or just another overhyped trend. Let's find out. In the realm of beauty, there's a growing fascination with personalization. We crave products tailored to our unique needs, and hair care is no exception. Function of Beauty has taken the internet by storm with its promise of customized shampoo and conditioner. Intrigued by the concept, I decided to put their claims to the test. Could a quiz really unlock the secret to my best hair ever? I was skeptical, but the allure of personalized hair care was too strong to resist. Function of Beauty's website boasts a sophisticated algorithm that analyzes your hair type, scalp concerns, and desired results to create a unique formula just for you. It sounded promising. But would it live up to the hype? The first step was taking the Function of Beauty hair quiz. The quiz itself was surprisingly detailed, delving into everything from my hair texture and oiliness to my styling habits and hair goals. I appreciated the thoroughness as it gave me confidence that the algorithm was gathering enough information to create a truly personalized formula. After completing the quiz, I was presented with a customized shampoo and conditioner recommendation. The website even allowed me to choose my preferred fragrance and color, adding a fun, personal touch. I opted for a refreshing eucalyptus and lavender scent, and a vibrant pastel purple hue. The ordering process was seamless, and within a week, my personalized hair care duo arrived at my doorstep. The first thing that struck me upon receiving my Function of Beauty products was the packaging. The sleek, minimalist bottles were aesthetically pleasing and felt luxurious to the touch. The personalized labels, complete with my name and hair goals, added a special touch. As for the shampoo and conditioner themselves, the eucalyptus and lavender scent was divine, a perfect balance of invigorating and calming. The texture of both the shampoo and conditioner was noticeably different from my usual drugstore brands. The shampoo lathered beautifully, creating a rich, creamy foam that felt gentle on my scalp. The conditioner, on the other hand, had a thicker, more luxurious consistency that glided effortlessly through my hair. After a week of using Function of Beauty shampoo and conditioner, I started to notice subtle but positive changes in my hair. My hair felt softer and smoother to the touch, and there was a noticeable reduction in frizz. My scalp also felt healthier, with less dryness and irritation. While the results weren't drastic, they were definitely noticeable. However, the biggest drawback of Function of Beauty is undoubtedly the price. At $36 for an 8-ounce bottle of shampoo and conditioner, it's significantly more expensive than drugstore brands. While the personalized formula and luxurious experience are certainly appealing, the price point may be prohibitive for some. Okay, so, did my hair have a total transformation or was it just meh? What do you think? Let's chat in the comments. And if you love honest beauty reviews, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Glowenvy glow-ups. See you in the next one.